Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save your address on the Farfetch application so that you can save time when you are ordering something. You don't have to fill in the address book form again. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the Me button down below, which is the last option. Scroll down to the My Account section and tap on the fourth option, Address Book. Now fill in these forms such as your first and last name, then your country or destination. Then add your address. You have 3 lines as you can see. The first one is obligatory, the other 2 ones are optional. Then you should type in your city name, the name of your city, state, which is also optional, so you don't have to fill it in. Then add your postal code, phone number, and tap on the Save Address button if you are done with all these details, and everything will be changed. So feel free to go back to this section when you want to update any information. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.